Oh, hey, how you doing? You want to come inside and see what's happening with our MCM Silver Spring Lab? Come on in. I'm Danielle Ricks, and I am the Director of Education and Community Engagement here at our MCM satellite location in Silver Spring. We're going to take you on a tour of our Media Lab and introduce you to the staff.
Hi, I'm Lee Edwards, and I am the Media Education and Youth Engagement Manager, and this is our Media Lab. Today, we are joined by two of our LGBTQIA+ BIPOC fellows who are part of the MCM Digital Futures Institute. In addition to our fellowship, our Next Gen program offers youth media experience and content creation for high school students and college students who produce content for our channels 19 and 21.
Hi, I'm Kayla, the Media Production Coordinator.
And I'm Delmar, the Media Education Production Manager.
And we're here to help you with all of your membership and production needs,
as well as teaching classes
and community outreach,
and producing your show,
which you can do right here.
Or here.
Or here. Or here. With dynamic microphones,
HD and 4K cameras,
crisp audio,
dazzling lights,
and anything else you might need for your production. Located steps away from the metro, local restaurants and shopping, the district courthouse, and the Silver Spring Recreation and Aquatic Center. Whether you're a seasoned podcaster and content creator or just getting started, we're here to help you every step of the way. So stop on by or visit our website to get started today.